Yes, you read the title correctly. Cancer vaccines now exist. It's crazy. Let me explain.
Well, Russia is gearing up to treat cancer patients with what could become one of the world's first personalized mRNA cancer vaccines. A treatment tailored to each patient's unique tumor.
The Russian government has announced that they have achieved 100% efficacy and safety in early clinical trials of a vaccine targeting cancer. It's called Enteromix. How does it work? Is it actually safe? And what does this mean for medicine and the world as a whole? Well, guys, don't worry. I'll tell you all about the vaccine. Alright, let's get into it. So, this vaccine was developed by Engelhardt Institute of Molecular Biology in Russia. The vaccine works by a few ways. One way the vaccine works is by using an oncolytic viral component that kills cancerous cells. In other words, it uses harmless viruses to infect and kill tumor cells. And it also activates the immune system to recognize and kill cancerous cells. Radiological Center of the Ministry of Health of the Russian Federation is conducting extensive and scientific work in two areas at once. The first is the oncolytic vaccine Enteromix, created at NMRRC jointly with the Engelhardt Institute of Molecular Biology. The drug is based on a combination of 4 non-pathogenic viruses that have the ability to destroy malignant cells and simultaneously activate the patient's anti-tumor immunity. Now, the other way this vaccine actually works is by creating personalized mRNA, which is then used to create proteins called antigens, which are pretty much signals signifying to the body, okay, this here is foreign, let's attack it and kill it. So what they actually do is something pretty tricky. They pretty much create the mRNA from the cancerous cells and then they inject it into the tumor cells. And once the body starts creating these antigens, which are like signals, the immune system now detects these tumor cells and start attacking them and killing them. It's pretty much modern science and it's really, really amazing. The second direction is personalized mRNA vaccines, which are being developed at our center in cooperation with the Gamaleya Institute. The fundamental difference of this method lies in the individual approach. Based on the genetic analysis of each patient's tumor, a unique vaccine is created that can teach the immune system to recognize cancer cells. Now, clinical trials have since been done on 48 patients, and it was claimed that there was a 100% immune response and there were no severe side effects. The side effects were things like headaches, chills, nausea, or joint and back pains. So nothing too severe.
According to Russian news outlets, Russia's first patients could begin receiving the newly manufactured, newly developed cancer vaccine within the next few months.
Also, according to the results of the trial on the 48 patients, it was stated that 60 to 80% cancer or tumor regression was observed in some, and for others, the tumor just stopped progressing in size. So really positive results according to these reports I'm seeing here. By the way, the cancer vaccine was tested on patients with colon cancer, which is a very deadly cancer. Although promising results have been made according to the released information, it's still in trial and has not been fully approved by the Russian Ministry of Health. So for right now, we still have to wait and observe the progress of the Enteromix vaccine. I must say that any news of positive results of a cancer vaccine is always amazing for the medical community and the world as a whole. And I believe eventually in the future, we will get to a point where we have actual working vaccines that are being distributed to everyone around the world. Today we already have great treatment options, so medicine is moving in the right direction. Well, that's the video. By the way, there were a few cases of some people being cured of HIV. So if you want to go and check that out, then click right here. But yeah guys, if you found value from this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.